Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. We'll start from Q. That is Q, R, S, T. So 1, 2, 3 for Q. Across here, this line will be vacant. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. This is for R. Cross, vacant. 1, 2, 3 for S. Again cross. 1, 2, 3 for T. So we'll start with Q. I'll make this numbers lighter. For Q, you have to remove the sides. Again, 1 centimeter you have to leave here, 1 centimeter here, and here also same way you have to remove the edges like O. Once the O is made, Q becomes easier. Now we'll go for R. I had taught you P. So first we will draw P and then we'll make it R. This block and the edges will be removed. So we have made P first. Now this and this dot, this and this dot. We have finished with R. Q, R, S. For S, same, we'll remove the corners as we removed in Q, but a difference over here, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. And remove the edges as we removed in Q. A line here and a line here. Now this will connect this and this point will connect this. So this way will connect and this way will connect. And for T, these 3 lines, we'll make the 3 lines darker. 1 centimeter we'll make a marking. Darken it here. And here.